Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install FL Studio 2026 on Mac. This tutorial works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and it supports Apple Silicon Macs as well as Intel Macs. FL Studio is one of the most popular digital audio workstations in the world, used for music production, beat making, mixing, and mastering. Let's jump straight into it. First, open any web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. In the search bar, type FL Studio Download Mac, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official FL Studio website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the download page, you should see the Mac version. Click on the macOS Download button. A dialog box will appear asking where to save the installer file. Select your desired location. Most people choose the Downloads folder and click Save. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, as the installer is a large file. Once the download is complete, navigate to where you saved the file. If you choose the Downloads folder, you'll find an installer file named flstudiomac.dmg. Double-click the .dmg file to mount it. A new window will appear showing the FL Studio installer package. Inside the mounted window, double-click the FL Studio Installer.pkg file. This will launch the installation wizard. Follow these steps. First, click Continue to begin. Next, click Continue again. Review the license agreement, and if you agree, click Agree to proceed. Select the installation location. The default is usually fine. Click Install to start the process. You'll likely need to enter your Mac's admin password to authorize the installation. Enter it, then click Install Software. The installation will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Close to exit the installer. Now, open Finder and go to your Applications folder and click on FL Studio to launch it. On the first launch, FL Studio may ask for permission to access your files or audio devices. Make sure to click Allow so everything works correctly. If you already have a license, you can log into your account to unlock the full version. Otherwise, you can use FL Studio in trial mode. And that's it. You've successfully installed FL Studio 2026 on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.